Alright, so here's the second video in this unit, which is surface areas of pyramids and cones. So the surface area of a pyramid is that the surface area is equal to half the perimeter times S, which is the slant height, or the height of each triangle that makes up the sides, plus the area of the base. So again, big B is area of base. And then surface area for a cone is pi r. Again, that's slant height. Plus pi r squared. Okay, so surface area of each of these prisms. So this line right here, which is this 6, is our slant height. This 9 right here, or not 9, this length right here, which is that, is the height of the base, which in this case is a triangle. Okay, and then it's an equilateral triangle because it's 9, 9, and 9. Alright, so surface area is half the perimeter of the base, which is 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 27, times the slant height, slant height, which in this case is 6, plus the area of the base, so the area of the base being a triangle is half the base of the triangle, which we'll use this 9 because the height of the triangle is drawn to it, so 9 times 7.78. So then this will go into your calculator. Put it in, you get 116.1. So 116.1 meters squared. Alright, so this one will be a little bit easier because it's a square rather than the triangle. So this is my slant height. Okay, obviously 10, 10, which makes this 10 and this 10. Alright, so surface area is half the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base is 40 times the slant height, which is 9, plus the area of the base, which is 10 times 10, or 100. So half times 40 times 9 plus 100 gives us 280 feet squared. Alright, cylinders. So cylinder is pi r s plus pi r squared. So let's write that down. So surface area is equal to pi r s plus pi r squared. Alright, so this is S, this is R, pretty easy. 3.14 times 6 times 10 plus 3.14 times 6 squared. Alright, so we'll go to a calculator. So 3.14 times 6 times 10 plus 3.14 times 6 squared. So 301.44. 301.44 inches squared. Okay, so that's the diameter, which means that my radius is actually 2. So surface area is equal to 3.14 times 2 times 4 plus 3.14 times 2 squared. Two, 4, 2 gives me 37.68. So 37.68 inches squared. Alright, as you get closer to the end and you're getting close to that 80, now it's going to give you the surface area and it's going to want you to find the slant height. Okay, so that's my R. So surface area is equal to pi RS plus pi R squared. So 331.88 equals 3.14 times 3 S plus 3.144, 3.14 times 3 squared. Alright, so right here, so that's going to be 3.14 times 9, which is 28.26. So 28.26. This one right here, 3.14 times 3 is 9.42. 2S. Really simple equation. We just have to put everything in and simplify it. So we're going to subtract 28.26 from both sides. So 131.88 minus 28.26 gives me 103.62 equals 9.42 S, and then we'll divide by 9.42. So divided by 9.42, which would give me 11. So in this case, my slant height is 11 feet. Alright, so same thing. That's R. This is my surface area. So 3140 is equal to 3.14 times 20S plus 3.14 times 20 squared. Okay, so 3.14 times 20 squared is 1256. And 3.14 times 20 is going to be 62.8, because 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Move the decimal one place to the right because we're also multiplying by 10, and voila, you have it, 3140. Okay, so then we subtract 1256 from both sides. So 3140 minus 1256, 1884 equals 62.8 S. So then S in this case is going to be that divided by 62.8, which is going to give me 30 inches. Alright, so there is this video. If you guys need any help with it, make sure you guys come to tutoring. We'll see you guys in the next one.